Established in 1950 by founder W.H. Perry, Cardinal Detecto Scale engineers, manufactures, and markets a wide variety of small to large capacity scales for all industries. The company is well known under the brand names Cardinal Scale and Detecto Scale, and is currently the largest medical scale manufacturer in the United States. The evolution of what is today Cardinal Detecto Scale involves the pulling together of a century's worth of ideas, products, and people.
In 1950, Mr. Perry saw a need for scales for concrete batching plants. The company he worked for didn't make them, so he asked if he could make them and market those scales. The company did not want to, so he asked the company, he said, okay, if he made them and marketed them under their name. And they said, yes, that would be fine. So he started making those scales on the sideline and nights, etc. And then that business grew so much that he couldn't keep both jobs, so he quit his job as sales manager with that company and then started Cardinal full-time. WH had met some people that were building scales, truck scales out in California, and they weren't selling them anything in this area. They just sold out in California. So he made a relationship with them that we would purchase certain components and start manufacturing our truck scales here in Webb City, which we did in early 1960s. And then in early 1980s, we purchased a company called Detecto Scales in Brooklyn, New York. They were established about 1900, and they made a lot of the medical scales, food scales for daily operations and things like that. So we bought that company. We moved 345 semi-trailers of product from Brooklyn, New York to Webb City and started manufacturing those scales here.
Operating from the southwest Missouri community of Webb City, Cardinal Detecto Scale is committed to the manufacture of quality weighing equipment. In every phase of the operation, the company utilizes the latest statistical control techniques to monitor and improve performance, assuring customers the finest end result.
We have become an ISO 9001 certified company, which simply means that we have a quality system throughout all of our processes, that all of our employees are trained to, that they understand what their jobs are, and how to build quality scales. We're also getting ready to take that to another step here with ISO 13485, which is a specific version certification for our medical devices. This just means that on the medical scales we'll have an additional level of quality and testing that we will do with those.
Cardinal Detecto Scale has a huge domestic market and is growing its international market each year. The company sees Missouri as a prime location from which to serve the world from a manufacturing standpoint.
Missouri is an excellent place for a manufacturing facility. The cost of living is low here. In our rural-based southwest Missouri area, we have a good draw from the people here in this area. We have excellent employees that tend to be long-term because there's a lot of stability in the family life in southwest Missouri. It also provides us to be centrally located for our U.S. market when you're discussing freight or shipping issues all over the United States.
Cardinal Detecto Scale is known for the quality of products it manufactures. This quality comes from quality people with a strong Midwest work ethic, willing to develop their skills to the highest level. This is what sets Cardinal Detecto Scale apart.
Really what sets us apart from the others is that we manufacture everything in-house. And by manufacturing everything in-house, we're able to really keep an eye on our quality since we control all of that. That also allows us to keep a very low inventory in-house since we control all that, and we're able to react very quickly to our needs in-house.
Cardinal Detecto Scale is the largest independent scale manufacturer in the United States and is invested in the future to bring its customers the best weighing equipment on the market.